Hello students, Namaskar. Today we will be taking some examples on the topic matrix multiplication, and in your exercise you have a different type of question of trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions included in a matrix. So taking that particular question and solving here. The question, students, is for the matrix A is equal to 0 minus tan alpha upon 2, tan alpha upon 2, 0. Show that I plus A is equal to I minus A times a matrix here cos alpha minus sin alpha, and here is sin alpha cos alpha. So for this particular matrix, students, we have to show that this particular statement where I is a matrix of the same order that A has, and A's order is 2 by 2, so I is an identity matrix of order 2 by 2. So for this particular question, students, in the solution, first of all we'll be getting the value of I plus A. So when you add I, that is an identity matrix of order 2 by 2, that is added to the given matrix, that is 0 minus tan alpha upon 2, tan alpha upon 2 and 0. When you add both of these matrices, you get a matrix 1 minus tan alpha upon 2, tan alpha upon 2 and 1. This is the simplest form of LHS. So you have to keep in your mind the simplest form of LHS. I can write here the simplest form of LHS. LHS we got as a matrix. The elements are 1, 1, tan alpha upon 2, and here this is minus tan alpha upon 2. Now we'll go for RHS, students, and RHS, students, is obviously I minus A. Dear students, I am directly writing the value of I minus A here. The value of I minus A, RHS, as we are sort of the board for this particular question, therefore I minus A. So identity matrix minus this one, so 1 minus 0 is equal to 1, and then 0 minus that, so it has been plus tan alpha upon 2, and then next element 0 minus that, so minus tan alpha upon 2, and here 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. That is the value of I minus A. I have directly written. If you have not understood, I can explain you properly. See, students, I 1 0 0 1 minus A is 0 minus tan alpha upon 2, tan alpha upon 2, 0. Okay, now we can, this minus this one, obviously the element is 1, so this is 1, then 0 minus this one plus tan alpha upon 2, 0 minus this one minus tan alpha upon 2, and 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. That is what I wrote here. So this is how we have got the value of I minus A. Now I minus A will be multiplied by this particular matrix, and the elements are cos alpha minus sin alpha, and cos alpha. These are the elements of this. Both of these will be multiplied, and we have to prove the product of these two matrices is equal to the simplest form of RHS. Dear students, what is there in RHS? LHS, that is LHS, simplest form of LHS. What is there in the simplest form of LHS? The terms, numerical terms and trigonometric terms, that is tan alpha upon 2. So here we have this particular matrix in terms of trigonometric function tan alpha upon 2, but these all are in terms of sine and cos, and the angle is alpha. So we'll convert all these 4 elements of this particular matrix in terms of tan alpha by 2. So students, if I write cos alpha in terms of tan alpha upon 2, so this is 1 minus tan squared alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan squared alpha upon 2, the trigonometric identity. If you want to write minus, minus is here, I have written here, sine alpha in terms of tan alpha upon 2, so 2 tan alpha upon 2 upon 1 plus tan squared alpha upon 2. This is the same 2 tan alpha upon 2 over 1 plus tan squared alpha upon 2, and this one is 1 minus tan squared alpha upon 2 over 1 plus tan squared alpha upon 2. I hope you have understood how I have written those terms. Here it was what it was, you know, that was cos alpha. Cos alpha has been written of this particular form, minus sin alpha has been written of this one. This is sin alpha and this is cos alpha. You know the trigonometric properties or trigonometric identities. Now we have this particular expression, entire means both of the matrices are in terms of tan alpha upon 2, can easily be multiplied. So if you feel it bit complicated, here you can suppose tan alpha upon 2 is equal to x. We have supposed it. What we have supposed? Tan alpha upon 2 is equal to x. Now this will be easy to write. So students, now we have RHS is equal to, and in RHS what do we have? We have 1 and tan alpha upon 2 means x, and here it is minus x, and this is 1, and here we have 1 minus x squared over 1 plus x squared, and here we have 1 minus 2x over 1 plus x squared. Here we have 2x over 1 plus x squared, and here we have 1 minus x squared over 1 plus x squared. So now this is a matrix of order 2 by 2. This is also a matrix of order 2 by 2. The product will be a matrix of order 2 by 2. So writing a matrix of order 2 by 2 here. So first of all, this multiplied by this one plus this multiplied by this one. So when you get that, students, 1 minus x squared over 1 plus x squared and plus this multiplied by this one, so x will it will be 2x squared over 1 plus x squared. When you add, students, it is obvious that LCM is this one, and it is 1 plus x squared over 1 plus x squared. So 1 plus x squared over 1 plus x squared is equal to 1. Once I am leaving it here, in the next step I will be writing this. The next 1 multiplied by this one, that is minus, for the next element here, bit larger I am writing, 1 multiplied by this particular term, so minus 2x upon 1 plus x squared, and plus sign this x multiplied by this. So it is the first row being multiplied by the second column. So first row being multiplied by the second column, 1 multiplied by this one has been written, and x multiplied by this one. So it is x times 1 minus x squared over 1 plus x squared. Okay. Now this multiplied by this one, so we are getting minus x multiplied by 1 minus x squared over 1 plus x squared plus this is 2x over 1 plus x squared. Now this will be multiplied by this, so it is 2x squared over 1 plus x squared and plus 1 multiplied by this one, तो 1 minus x squared over 1 plus x squared. So first of all I am simplifying these two terms, students. It is simple that when you take 1 plus x squared as LCM, then here also what will be remaining, 1 plus x squared, and the value of this one will be equal to 1. So I am writing it as is equal to 1, and same this particular term. As far as these two terms are concerned, they will be simplified by multiplying properly, students. So let's go and multiply. So here we go and we write it as, I am writing simplifying this particular term, minus x plus x cube and then plus 2x, okay, over 1 plus x squared. So when we simplify this, see students, minus x plus 2x has been x, so it has been x cube plus x over 1 plus x squared. Out of this, if we take x common, then here remaining x squared plus 1 and over 1 plus x square or x square plus 1, that is cancelled, and x is what is remaining here. So I can write here x. Similarly, when you simplify this particular term, so this same as I have simplified this, you will be getting this one, and here will be also getting as x. Okay. Now what did we take x as? We took x as tan alpha upon 2. Okay. So when we took x as tan alpha upon 2, so this can be written as 1 tan alpha upon 2, and here tan alpha upon 2 and 1. So what was the simplest form of LHS, students? Here we will be getting this as minus x. When you will simplify this particular term, you will be getting as minus x, and this will be minus 10. Okay. So what we got the simplest form of LHS there, we got the simplest form of LHS as this one, and now simplest form of RHS we have got as this one. So we can say LHS is equal to RHS, and hence we have shown that for this particular matrix A, I plus A is equal to I minus A times this given matrix. I hope you have understood it properly. What we need to do is to find the simplest form of LHS first, that we got as this. Okay. After we have got the simplest form of LHS, we have started RHS here. RHS we took this, and now this particular matrix has been expressed of this particular form, because we have to multiply, or we have to get all of the terms in terms of tan alpha upon 2. So I have converted all of the terms or all of the elements of this particular matrix in terms of tan alpha upon 2. Okay. Then simplified it was bit complicated to simplify in terms of tan alpha upon 2. So I have supposed tan alpha upon 2 is equal to x, and later I have put back the value. So see, these two matrices I have got multiplied, simplified, I got as this one, and eventually this, and this is equal to the simplest form of LHS. So at last you can write here LHS is equal to RHS, hence shown.